Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're in a collaboration. And just a few, right off the top of my head, we're doing a collaboration with is Judy Ann at Just Ate 8, Jill at the Esther Kitchen, and the Kitchen Queers. There are many more. Follow the hashtag drink tips. It'll be the little blue thing with the hashtag above the title there of the dish, and just follow that. Click that and it'll take you to everybody that's doing this collaboration. I want to give a special shout out to Carrie, VA Chick Off Road. Go check her out. I will leave her up there and I'll try to leave her down in the description. Anyway, today, Bloody Mary. Let's get this Bloody Mary going next on Cooking with Corey. All right, let's get our ingredients going for today. We got bacon, which I've already cooked off. I did that on a rack in the oven, 425 for 25 minutes. And I did do some Tabasco on there and fresh cracked pepper. As you can see, the Tabasco on there and the fresh cracked pepper. Good looking stuff. Alright, so that's going to go with our Bloody Mary. We got some cooked shrimp, 1620s back here. We got horseradish, Tabasco, Italian fusion seasoning, tomato juice. Some cocktail onions or pearl onions, some celery salt, some Worcestershire sauce, some pepperoncinis, some pickled asparagus, some garlic stuffed olives. Obviously we got some celery, lime, and lemon. And we're gonna add some other stuff, fresh cracked pepper and stuff like that. Oh, let's get started. Let's get this rolling next. All right, time to prepare our Bloody Mary mix here. So we got a pitcher here. And we got 32 ounces of tomato juice going in there. This is a 36 ounce thing, so I want to keep like a can of pop in there. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so let's start going through our ingredients. 2 ounces of Worcestershire sauce will go into the mix. 2 ounces of lime juice. It's about a whole lime. And 2 ounces of lemon juice, about a whole lemon, a medium-sized lemon. 2 tablespoons of horseradish, not the creamy stuff, just get the good horseradish. That'll go into the mix, like so. 1 tablespoon of Tabasco, and one of my favorite things on earth is Tabasco sauce, and it's going in here. Woo! Boom! Get it all in there. Add more. If you like it more spicy, add more of that. Absolutely add more if you want. Celery salt. We got celery salt. And we're going in with a whole tablespoon of celery salt. A whole tablespoon of our Italian seasoning. That goes in there. A tablespoon of fresh cracked pepper. I actually did that on the side and got a whole tablespoon in there for you. Fresh cracked. Don't be using the stuff the thing. Crack it yourself. You'll have a better experience. That goes in. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. That goes into the vat. And we go and give that deliciousness a stir. Like so. What we're going to do is we're going to let this set 1 hour. Then we'll build an ultimate Bloody Mary. Alright, while our Bloody Mary mix is over there getting delicious, this we're going to skewer for our Bloody Mary. And obviously this is going to be the top, this is going to be the bottom. So you want to figure out what you want on the top. So we're going to put the pepperoncini on the top. Like so. Looking good. Pepperoncini. Alright, let's put a olive. Let's do some of these delicious pearl onions, and they are really small, so you're gonna have to. Nope, I don't think he's gonna stay on there, but that's all right. We're gonna do that. Get a whole bunch on there because they are little, and just kind of make them get up there into a little chunk like that. That's all good and fine. Another olive we'll put on here. Like so. We'll take one of our cooked shrimp and he will go into the bottom like so. So our shrimp is actually going to be in the bottom of our deliciousness there, our Bloody Mary. Alright, that's just simple. You do what you want. You didn't even have to do this. You just drink the Bloody Mary straight up. But, alright. Let's build it next. Alright, let's get started. We got a big old glass here. It says Jose on it. It's from an old wedding or whatever. Don't worry about that. I did not steal this from Jose. All is good. So what we're going to take is we're going to take some lime and we're going to go around our rim like so. With a lime wedge, we're going to take it into our celery salt right here. We're going to go in there with that and go around and around and around until we get a nice looking, I mean nice looking rim on that. Look at that. Alright, let's build this bad boy next. Alright, just start building. We've got our huge glass and our alcohol of the night is going to be vodka. I mean, I think they used to make these with gin and whatever, but we're just going to use vodka. I didn't say that before. I just thought I'd leave it as a little secret what we're going to go with, but we're going to go with vodka. So, absolutely. Let's do two pretty big glass. So we're going to do 2 shots of vodka in this glass. Let's get one here. Actually, no, we're going to do 1.5. No, screw it. We're going to do 2. Jen's going to be drinking this. We'll get her all trumped up. Alright, here we go. We got that in there. We got our delicious mix back here. Give it one little stir here. We'll give it some ice. Beautiful. Our delicious Bloody Mary mix that we worked really hard on from scratch. Just get it in there like so. Remember, we're putting stuff in there, so not all the way to the top. If we need to top off, we can top off. We'll put her there. Celery. Yep, let's put our celery in there. Absolutely. Dill pickle. Who doesn't like a dill pickle in their Bloody Mary? I mean, come on. Our delicious skewer that we worked hard on, that will go in there. Shrimp side down. We'll get that in there, looking all good and tasty. Our bacon. Our delicious looking bacon. Oops, that's not a good one. He's not crispy enough. Here we go. Here we go. He's going in there. Look at that. He goes down in there like so. We'll top it off with another 16-20 cooked shrimp. And there we got it, guys. That is one heck of a Bloody Mary if I've ever seen one in my life. And just for giggles, I'll throw another olive on top. Alright guys, thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. I appreciate it. Don't forget to check everybody out in the hashtag drink tips. Check them all out. Give them all love. Give them all subscribe. Alright, Cooking with Corey's out. Please like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. I'll see you next week. Oh, by the way, I forgot asparagus. I forgot that asparagus. I bought that asparagus. We're putting asparagus in here. There we go. Alright, now I'm out. See you next week.